In a remote Norwegian valley, the UFOs are real. They are tracked on radar, and science has no idea what they are. This is not a story about blurry photographs or questionable eyewitness accounts. This is a story about hard data. It is the story of Hessdalen Valley, a quiet stretch of Norwegian wilderness that for over 40 years has been home to one of the most persistent and baffling scientific enigmas on the planet. Here, strange, silent lights appear in the sky. Sometimes they are brilliant, golden orbs that hover for hours. Sometimes they are flashes of blue and white that streak through the valley at impossible speeds. And sometimes they are something else entirely. For decades, they were just a local legend. But in the 1980s, a group of scientists decided to stop telling stories and start collecting data. What they found has turned this quiet valley into a world-renowned natural laboratory for a phenomenon that we still do not understand. This is where the real relic hunt begins. And the relics are not artifacts, they are gigabytes of baffling scientific readings. In 1983, Project Hessdalen was born. A permanent automated research station was built, armed with a battery of scientific instruments, all pointed at the sky, waiting. And the sky did not disappoint. The first crucial piece of evidence came from the radar. The lights were not illusions. They were confirmed as real, physical, unidentified objects, sometimes the size of a car moving through the valley. Then came the thermal imaging. The cameras showed that some of the lights were cold, not emitting any significant heat, which defies our understanding of conventional light sources. But the most profound and perplexing clues came from the spectrographic analysis. By breaking down the light from the orbs, scientists could see their chemical makeup. The results were inconsistent and strange, showing different elements at different times. The data is undeniable. The phenomenon is real. The riddle isn't if something is happening in Hessdalen Valley. The riddle is what is it? This is a cold case where the suspects are not people, but scientific theories, and none of them perfectly fit the crime. Suspect number 1, a natural battery. This is a leading theory. The valley is rich in certain minerals like copper and zinc. The theory suggests that the river running through it acts as an electrolyte, turning the entire valley into a giant natural battery that can discharge energy, creating balls of plasma. A brilliant theory, but it doesn't explain the objects that are tracked on radar or the lights that move with intelligent, non-ballistic patterns. Suspect number 2, piezoelectricity. The valley is also rich in quartz crystals. Tectonic strain in the rock could create an electrical charge, a phenomenon known as piezoelectricity, which could ionize pockets of air and create light. Another elegant theory, but again it struggles to account for the sheer size, duration, and complex behavior of some of the sightings. Suspect number 3, the obvious one, extraterrestrial probes. It's the answer everyone wants. And while it can't be disproven, it remains the theory of last resort for the scientists on the ground. It is an answer without evidence. The goal of Project Hessdalen is to find a natural explanation, no matter how strange it might be. And so the hunt continues. The Hessdalen Lights are a perfect scientific enigma because they refuse to be solved. They are a profound and humbling reminder that there are still fundamental aspects of our own planet that we do not understand. They are not a myth, they are not a legend. They are a persistent, verified, and utterly baffling question, written in silent, glowing letters across the dark Norwegian sky. A riddle that nature has presented to us, but for which she has not yet given us the key. The Hessdalen Lights are a genuine, ongoing scientific investigation. Based on the evidence, what is your best theory for what's happening in that valley? Let us know in the comments below. If you believe that science is the ultimate tool for exploring history's greatest riddles, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Relic Riddles. Thanks for joining the Relic Hunt. We'll see you on the next one.